Found an RGP file from your old casual gaming collection and nothing launches it? This is a game installer from the golden age of downloadable casual games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what RealArcade packages contain, and your options for accessing these legacy game files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful RGP troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. RGP files are game package files created for the RealArcade casual game distribution platform operated by RealNetworks. They contain packaged game installers with compressed game assets, executable files, registry settings, and DRM licensing data that the RealArcade client used to install and manage downloadable casual games on Windows systems. RGP files are game package files created for the RealArcade casual game distribution platform operated by RealNetworks. They contain packaged game installers with compressed game assets, executable files, registry settings, and DRM licensing data that the RealArcade client used to install and manage downloadable casual games on Windows systems. Typically, RGP files can be opened with RealArcade created by RealNetworks, Inc. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows provides little insight into model or texture data, so compatible modding apps are required. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your RGP file and choose Open With. Use RealArcade if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. If the RGP file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Don't be confused by the error message. Here are the 3 most common technical reasons your RGP file is not opening. First, extracting with archive tools. Try opening the RGP file with 7-zip or WinRAR, which may recognize the underlying compression format. Right-click and select Extract or Open Archive to browse the package contents. If the archive tools succeed, you can locate the game executable and data files within the extracted folder structure for manual installation. Next, using RealArcade client. If you have the RealArcade or RealPlayer Games client, still install double-click the RGP file to trigger the game installation process through the native platform. The client unpacks the game assets, installs them to the games directory, and registers the license. Note that RealArcade services have been largely discontinued by RealNetworks. Finally, manual game recovery. If extraction reveals game executables and data files, create a shortcut to the main game .exe file and attempt to run it directly. Some RealArcade games work independently of the platform client. If the game requires activation that is no longer available, search for the game title on modern distribution platforms like Steam or Big Fish Games as an alternative. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.